Boom, viewers, subscribers. Back again with these quick updates because trust, if it's not foreign from King Mix Up, it's not credible. And I got a few updates for y'all today. The streets is disappointed with Shaneil Muir doing a collaboration with a rapist like Jah Cure. W Magnum exposed that Atlanta dancehall artist is in the hospital after being rushed after failing a suicide attempt. And dancehall's favorite swinging couple, Apple and Jake Icon, take to social media to explain how their open relationship is. You don't know the thing said. Jay Icon was watching his wife fight another woman over her man. Yes, people. But you don't know the thing said. I'm gonna need 1,000 of y'all to start hitting that like button because I'm trying to get my videos out there, you know what I mean? I work, you know. I do not like off some people video who I remix my content and all them things there. People hit the like button, it lets me know that you appreciate the content, my commentary, and the time frame I be uploading these updates for y'all. Feel what I'm saying? Now let us continue. Yes, like I was saying, people, the streets is talking. They're very upset with Shaneil Muir at this moment for doing a song with Jakur titled Missing You. You see, Jakur has been a pestilence in women's lives over the past several months. Yeah, we can't even talk about the years because that will go into a whole nother thing, you know. But since last year and up till now, we have been hearing reports and voice notes of Jakur being very aggressive and even to the point of threatening harm if a girl didn't give him a batty wash, you know. We heard stories of him kidnapping women and Popcorn have to play Superman and save a hoe. Not a hoe, sorry about that, people. You see what I'm saying? So it wouldn't be a problem if she did the collaboration with him, but at this time of moment, there's a lot of women being abused and killed. And a lot of people feel like Jah Cure is part of that equation of men that's, you know. So let's take a few looks at what the people them are saying and listen to what somebody from the industry has to say about this. Because there's only a few people speaking out, you know. Yeah, Shaneil, I hope this don't mess up your top girl status. But somebody said, I personally don't believe Shaneil Muir should have done any song with Jah Cure. We don't support no men that abuses women, no matter how good they can sing. Plus, Jah Cure sounds auto-tune. It's a joke to Pussyclad. Real Pasa Pasa said, on our short memory, this is the man, Jah Cure, that continued to abuse and threatening women. I'm disappointed with her for do any song with this boy, Jah Cure. And the earlier person responded, real talk, I don't support no men that abuse women. I don't care how good he can sing. And now let's listen to Dr. Love talk about it briefly, then we'll proceed with updates.
I don't know which woman would want to do a sir, and because Jah Cure have a mental problem going on. Have a mental problem. What's going on? And then remember, if you don't want to come live, you can't come live. Now, people, I want to talk about a little situation. Now,
earlier when I went live on my Instagram channel, I think after 10 or 11 in the morning, my life was just bombarded with people saying, King, which female artist tried to commit suicide and failed? But I wasn't seeing it as a female artist. I thought they were saying something about another selector die and all these things. People, you know, I be frost in the morning, you know what I mean? I barely can't read or know that one myself, you know what I mean? But man, I check my DM again and the people that must say, yo, which female artist in Atlanta gone to hospital for attempted suicide? Wonder if it's Jada, the bald head boy turn her in a freak and take over her YouTube channel. People, if this is Jada, maybe Alkaline Baby Mother was telling the truth about her boyfriend / Nigerian man who's giving her AKA pills while she's losing weight and all of these things. But we'll get to that after I go and update the story, you know, because I was making the rounds. I'm like, how come nobody else ain't talking about this? Feel me? And after doing some social media detecting, I see that it was Dovey the one that was the one that made this alleged post about suicide business, you know. But by the time I went to Dovey's page, the post was no longer there. You feel what I'm saying? And you know Dovey don't give a shit about Spice life, if she's alive or living. You feel what I'm saying? You don't know the history with Dovey and Spice. When I talk about it, you know. Dovey been calling her Spice for her fake Gucci and all of these shits, and you know been what a lyrical clash with Spice. So if it was Spice, I don't think Dovey would have put up anything, you know. And plus, Spice got things to live for. You know, she has a thriving career that's just, you know, getting bigger and bigger and bigger by the day. You see what I'm saying? So I don't think she would be depressed about her career. I mean, even though she would like things to work a little bit smoother, but girl getting paid, you know, eating shrimp and lobster every motherfucking night. People who eat shrimp and lobster every night, trust me, they don't got suicidal thoughts. You feel what I'm saying? And she got her own clothing line, and she wears the latest designs and all of these things, you know. So I don't really think it's Spice. And on top of that, she has kids to live for, you know. You know, when you have kids, you don't really live for yourself no more. You like, your life becomes your kids. You feel what I'm saying? Because they need nurturing and all of these things teaching. And you don't know the things that, and you know she's in a loving and committed relationship with Justin the Rasta Man. So that just leaves us with Jada Kingdom, people. Let's be honest. If you following this channel, you know I posted a video yesterday with Jada saying that her management is stealing from her. Her management is making her sound like she's has mental issues and don't know what she's talking about, you know? Basically, her man is stealing from her, making her look like the crazy one, and she can't keep up to date with her math and all of these stuff. People, putting out a comment section if you heard anything from Dovey Magnum with this suicidal thing. I don't know if Dovey is doing things for clout, because you know she got a show coming up. You don't know the things said. There's a lot of artists in Atlanta, some known, some unknown. So it probably not even a known artist, you know what I mean? But if it's Jada, it's just a sad situation, you know. It's a sad situation, and you know, curing depression with drugs is not a good thing. You know, it's just gonna drag you down deeper and deeper. So, prayers up if it's Jada, you know. And now the part of the video that y'all was waiting for, our favorite swinging couple on the left. I mean on the right. Sorry about that, Toya. Apple and J Icon. They went live and talked about the fight. You know, I'm pretty sure most of y'all seen the fight already, or hugging up each other, whatever they want to call it. You know, but people was like, yo, she made her nigga look little because she out here in front of him saying she got videos of niggas sucking her pussy and shit. You know what I mean? And she's supposed to be at the top, man. So, you know, now people looking at them like they're a bunch of fakes. But nevertheless, they talking about the open relationships. So let's listen.
And him don't know about it. He already know everything. So when them talk anything about me and him, he already know everything. So we laugh together. We laugh at people. You understand? We laugh off of them. You know what I mean?
No,
he's my better half.
No,
he's my better half. Put it like that. He's my better half.
No,
you understand?
listen. When I laugh over people,
Later.
I always tell you, don't hurt people. Because you're hurting people when you do stuff. You hurt people sometimes. Sometimes a guy might like you, want to do something for you. And, you know, as a apple, don't lead the guy on if you know you're not going to go that extra mile with him. But guess what happened? Being the type of person you are, you're playing, and to me, man, I know how them things go. I don't really like it, I always tell you not to do it, but you still do it. So, you know.
You gotta understand, I'm a woman, and I'm not the prettiest girl in the world, but.
Why people, me, I stay out that people relationship, you know. See what I say? But y'all could put in the comment section what you feel. Do you think they love each other? Do you think one of them is looking for an exit plan? Like, you know, are you down with a open marriage? I mean, people have open relationships, but you know, marriage is a step higher to God. You feel what I'm saying? Yeah, you know. Boy, I tell ya. Boy, niggas, put in the comment section, would you defend your girl from getting her ass beat if she was fighting another chick over her dick? Basically, would you defend your girl from getting her ass whipped if she was out in these streets fighting hoes for they niggas and shit? You know what I mean? It's gonna look away. You see me? I said. And Jay Icon did the right thing by not busting a bitch ass because it was a one-on-one. But me no know. Me no think me I got defend a girl who I fuck her next man and girl come for beat and all these things. You see what I'm saying? Me no know, you know. Me no know. Me no know. But get at me in the comment section. Let's talk about this. So don't forget to tell me what you think about the Shaneil and Jah Cure collaboration. You know what I mean? The suicide in Atlanta and all this shit. You know what I mean? What you think about this open swinging relationship? You know, Jamaicans not used to this type of stuff, you know. Yeah, and also don't forget to comment, like, subscribe, hit the notification bell because I run here so you get the latest in our dancehall news, musical reviews, and gossip. And people, be safe out there and